This video will show you how to install the Fastmount LP-F8 and LP-SM8H clips using veneered MDF panels and a plywood substrate. Begin by drilling a 25mm hole in the plywood frame where you want to install the LP-F8 clip, using the TD08 clip layout guide for reference. Screw the LP-F8 clip into the drilled hole using the install tool from the toolkit. Ensure you have a low torque setting on your drill. Insert the center point into the LP-F8. Align and press the panel against it to mark the spot for the LP-SM8H clip. Locate the LP-SM8H into the marked position on the panel. Then secure with 3 6-gauge countersunk screws. Align the panel with the plywood frame and press it into place until you hear a click, indicating a secure fit. And that's it. With the LP-F8 and LP-SM8H clips, you've successfully installed your panels. Thank you for watching our installation guide. For more information and tips, visit our website or contact our customer support.